Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable Instagram product tagging so people can shop directly from your Instagram posts. That means no more of that link in bio. All people need to do when they see a post of something that they want to buy is tap the buy button, view on website, and that takes them straight to your product page. And as you can imagine, this increases product conversions a lot because customers don't have to take that extra step to click the link in bio, and it encourages people to impulse buy as soon as they see that image. It also gives you this product feature in your stories so that anyone that sees a story can go directly to a link. You also get your own little shop, a store on your Instagram page, and your posts appear in the shopping section of the Instagram Explore page where you have less competition. Now, a lot of people think that only established businesses or really big brands can get this feature, but that's not true. Anybody can get it for their account if they do it right in 2020, but the application process is quite tricky, and if you get rejected, it's difficult to reapply for the same account. So you'll want to pay really close attention to this walkthrough tutorial where I enable this feature for one of my demo accounts that I've been growing, okay? I've enabled direct shopping for several of my Instagram accounts, but the first 2 times I applied, I got rejected because of several minor details. But third time lucky, I feel like I've figured it out and I haven't got rejected ever since. Back then, there were a few helpful tutorials on YouTube, but the information was mostly all over the place and I had to figure out a lot on my own. So I want this video to be like an all-in-one guide with everything in one place. Personally, I use this to do Amazon affiliate marketing over several accounts I've grown over the past few years, and there's a big increase in the amount of products views and commissions that I get after enabling Instagram shopping to the Amazon products that I'm promoting. It makes my account look a little bit more legit and scares away competitors, and it gives you that edge above everyone else for whatever you're trying to sell on Instagram, whether it be promoting products for your business, affiliate marketing, print-on-demand t-shirts, building a personal brand, or even dropshipping. I make videos about online entrepreneurship and finance, so if you're interested, consider subscribing for more helpful content like this. If this video helped you, leave a like and comment any feedback or questions down below. I also have Twitter and Instagram. I have a Q&A box on my Instagram if you'd like a more urgent response to any questions you might have. Timestamps in the description. Now let's get on to the video. Before I begin to show you the process, there's a few things that you need to know which are really important. Firstly, as I said, it's an application process and it's difficult to reapply for the same account if you get rejected. So you're going to want to follow these steps really carefully and make sure you don't miss anything. Secondly, product tagging is only available in these countries right now, which could change by the time this video's up, but I will link it below, and you must check whether your country is on the list. If it's not, then you'll automatically get rejected. Using a VPN is 50-50. They may or may not reject you. I can't say, so just bear that in mind. This is only for selling physical products, so things like clothes, furniture, books, food, not digital products or services or dangerous products like weapons, illegal drugs, and anything like that. Obviously, you will get rejected. But if you're looking to sell digital products like online courses or ebooks using Instagram, there is a way you can get around this pretty easily, which I will show you later in this video. And lastly, it's best to apply for Instagram shopping when you have a few hundred subscribers and more than 3 posts. 9 is ideal because it fills up the page, but 3 has worked for me most of the time because, as far as I know, a person will be manually checking your account to make sure that it's not spam, so you want to make the account seem as legit as possible. You don't want just 1 post or no posts at all. Follow people, get a following before applying. If you want help on how to grow on Instagram, there's so many videos on YouTube. I just use follow for follow. It still works for me in 2020. These are the criteria for tagging, so your account needs to meet all of these points. And I'm not going to read them all to you, but I will link it down below. You need to look at the drop downs and you can read it in the description. So let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial. So this is my demo Instagram account in the fitness niche with a decent following. You only need a few hundred followers. The first thing you want to do is make sure the account is a business account, and you can choose what type of business account it is, so you can convert it here by tapping on Edit Profile. Now you want the category to be shopping and retail only, okay, so go on Category, select shopping and retail. You can change it afterwards, but make sure you set it to shopping and retail to make it as clear as possible to the people reviewing your account that you're selling a physical product, because that's one of the requirements. So you want to write a name, a bio, and add a profile picture, your website, or a link to one of your products. It doesn't really matter, it's just nice to have it all filled out so it looks more complete and less spammy, because remember, a person will be reviewing your page. Now we need to make a Facebook page for the business. So if you don't have a Facebook account already, sign up for one. It takes about 5 minutes. So I've made one that looks something like this. Now you need to fill out your basic information, write a little introduction, make it look as legit as possible, put a banner picture and a profile photo. This isn't just for enabling product tagging, this is good for your business too, because customers will see the Facebook page. So what we're going to do is create some product listings on Facebook, which can be connected to Instagram, but the Facebook page itself is irrelevant for the purpose of Instagram tagging only. The reviewers just need to see that you have a Facebook page for your business. Now we need a few posts on here of the products that we want to sell, so I'd say 9 or more is a safe number. This is a fitness account, so we're looking for fitness related products on Amazon, and I've chosen these. These are terrible images and products, probably wouldn't sell, but just for the purpose of this video. So you can sell things on your own store on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or any such site, or as an affiliate. They don't have to be your own store and products. Now we're going to connect the Instagram account to the Facebook page that we've just created. So tap on Edit Profile, connect or create a Facebook page. So we're going to connect an existing page, and these are my pages, so connect that one, and now they're connected, okay? Next we need to create a catalogue to list the products on Facebook. So go to Facebook Business Manager, just type it in Google, it should come up. So click on this drop down here, more tools, go to Commerce Manager. So we're in Commerce Manager now. Click this drop down and go to Catalogue Manager under Sell Products and Services. Press Create Catalogue, E-commerce, Products, select Upload Product Info, name the catalogue, press Create. Now view your catalogue. So we've got our catalogue here. We want to start adding items and press Add Manually. We should start adding manually for the application process, but after that we can start using bulk upload. We just need to make sure everything is perfect at this stage. So select Add Manually and then Next. Now we need to choose an image for our product. So I'm going to download this image and paste the affiliate link. So add a photo for each product, the title, which you can copy and paste directly from the website. Make sure it's not too long, maybe the first few words, and a description. This is really important. Your description needs to be short, 1 or 2 sentences max. 2 words like this is completely fine. If it appears too long or spammy, then your listing gets rejected. Now add the link to your direct product page. So I'm selling from Amazon as an affiliate, so I'm going to add my affiliate link in here. This is the page that the customers will see when they click buy on Instagram, so you'll be taking your customers directly to this page where they can add to cart immediately. Now the price, you can choose any currency that you like to sell in, but this is really, really important. The price needs to be exactly the same as it says on the website, okay? So $29.99 here, and it needs to be exactly the same currency and the same number. Someone will be checking this when they are reviewing it. So once you've checked that everything's okay, add the product to the catalogue, and that's been added. Now you need to repeat this for the first few products. I say 9 products is a good number. Now go back to your Commerce Manager Go to overview and it should look something like this. Now look at sales channels and make sure your Instagram account is added here. Let's go to manage and your Instagram account should be added. You need to wait for a few days, then you'll get a notification on Instagram and Facebook that your account has been approved. So when you go back to overview, you can see the status of your application here. So whether your account is in review, approved or rejected, you need to wait a few days and then you'll get a notification on Instagram and Facebook that your account has been approved. So once you get a notification that you've been approved in Instagram, you need to go to Instagram settings, business, shopping, products, then choose the catalogue to tag your products from, and then we can start tagging products now. So you can see that we've got our own little shop here. We can also view the shop. So choose a product to tag, edit, tag products, tap anywhere. Right, so we've got this little thing here, and now that's done. So when someone taps on your post, this comes up. For a while, the price might be showing as in review. They just need to do a quick check. It will turn to the price, just wait a couple minutes to a few hours. And you can add more products to one catalogue or change the catalogue at any time. Once you're approved, you can basically tag anything you want with any link you want. So you can add anything to your catalogue, whether it be an ebook or anything that's not a physical product. It's only for the application process that you need to show them you're selling physical products. After that, you can tag anything you want, basically. Remember, I'm just someone who's tried this and had success with it. I don't work at Instagram or Facebook, so I don't know the specific list of criteria that they use when they review your account. These are the best tips I could give and have worked for me, but there may still be reasons you get rejected. You just have to do some more research if that's the case. I'd appreciate if you let me know about it and I could look into it and see what kind of problems you're having. It would be really helpful for me and my audience, so let me know. Remember, product tagging does help your business, but it's not the be all end all. There are so many ways to promote your business other than Instagram, and the link in bio method definitely still works. So just give it a go, don't stress over it, and best of luck with your application. That wraps it up for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment whether you've had success with Instagram product tagging and how you use it for your business. See you guys in the next video.